Hello everyone, it's Peep here, bringing you another set review. This is the Bulldozer break-in, the LEGO City Bulldozer break-in, and it is set number 60140, and it comes with 561 pieces. As you can see, it comes with this police kind of van truck thing, this bulldozer, and a police helicopter, and a bank. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first off, let's start with the bulldozer because it is the main key to this set, because it's named after it. So yeah, it comes with a large chain for some action features that I'll show you later. It can easily be detached. It's nice. It's in the LEGO City criminal color red, which is basically all of the vehicles for the criminals are in red. Very basic build, but I say it's a good use of parts. I like the front here, how they did the actual like scooper, and how it actually feels like you can push things and scoop them up kind of. But I think if you didn't want it to be a criminal bulldozer, I mean, you could very well have it be some sort of construction bulldozer. The only problem is it has a angled down kind of shaft area. Has a angled down seating area. That's what I was thinking. It has an angle down so it can it gives it more of like an evil kind of angry look. But yeah, in the actual seating area itself, it just it doesn't have any seat. It just has one steering wheel. On the sides, you can see it has some clips for some minifig accessories like the golden crowbar and the hammer on the side. I also like this little funnel in the smokestack rather, where you can just image big puffs of smoke coming out. But it uses, I believe, only one sticker. So yeah, I say it's a pretty good build. I like it. And so moving on to the big police van. It sort of looks like some sort of SWAT vehicle to me. You can use it as that, or you can use it as a transporter for the criminals if you end up catching them. Or you can use it as a K9 unit van, which would work just as well. You can see I already opened them. They have the big minifig doors right here. You can spare some of your extra pieces, like some of your extra handcuffs or anything in there, just in case. You can also see they have clips for any minifig accessories. And yeah, they use one big sticker down here, which I don't really like the big long bar stickers, but it's okay. I'll take it. It has these little minifig like bars on the side, so you can attach one of your minifigs on, like this. You can have them hold on to the side, and you can drive off for a quick, kind of quick drop off, I guess. But yeah, that's the exterior. Same on the other side. Like any other city, and like any other city car, you can take the top off, which is just the same as any other one, just no seat and a steering wheel. They use a large amount of stickers on this one, but I really like the way it looks, how it just looks bulky and it looks strong. But another way, another kind of action feature-like thing, you can open this up for any of the criminals' buddies or friends or something while they're driving to the city jail. They can somehow open this up and they can get their friends out. So I say it looks good. It really has the feel, like I said, of a nice big bulky vehicle. So yeah, it's good. I really like it. So moving on to the police helicopter, which isn't much difference from any other Lego City helicopters that we've gotten. You can see they have the new engines on the side. Not really new, but new looking engines on the side. They also, an interesting way to do the tail, I guess, on it, and they use a plane engine piece too as the back propeller. At least it's used as a plane engine piece in most other Lego airport sets. At the front you can see they have a turning light so you can track them down in the middle of night if you want it to take time at night, or you can have this in a whole separate kind of situation where you can track people down using the light. I feel like they could have done better using a ball joint instead of just a clip, so it can go all the way around, but no, it just goes up and down. Same thing with the other side, it has a camera instead, so the pilot can see what they're doing while keeping an eye on the controls, which, speaking of controls, it is just a single control lever, and no seat. It's just this bar clip kind of thing. But yeah, it's the best they could have done, I guess, using this same basic canopy piece that they use in most helicopters. But other than that, I think it's pretty well. I enjoy it, just like all of the other contents in the set. So yeah, they did pretty well on that. Now moving on to the whole reason, well, one of the whole reasons why I like this set tremendously. Lego City, it's named after a city, actually includes a building. Yeah, they do well with their fire and police station and sets. It's really nice to actually get a building you can put in your city, not just it named after city. Because most of their sets, almost 90% of their sets, is police or fire sets. It's barely anything else. So it's nice to have an actual bank in your city. In this case, it is decked out with action features on the outside, like this one, where instead of pulling out a different part in the wall, they can pull out the ATM right here, which is just attached to one 2x2 jumper piece. And yeah, they can attach the hook that I showed you earlier to this from the Bulldozer and pull it right out. While we take a look at the ATM, you can see this is where you can insert, let's say, a minifig piece of money or bill. Right here, you can insert here, and the way it has been put together, because it's like that, the inside desk can take it and you can take the deposit out. And yeah, good, nice ATM. And then on the outside they have the red alarm system and a single camera. Moving along to the interior, first floor. This is just a waiting area for anyone who has come to the bank to make a deposit or write a check or pick up their bills or something. yeah, just nice little seating area. A stand-up desk, one single workstation with a computer and the classic Lego City coffee mug. And yeah, they don't include a seat, but you can put a seat in. You have to imagine that there's more back here because there's not an elevator or a staircase leading up to the second floor. Speaking of second floor, let's take a look at that. You can see they have one pretty heavily locked door. This is, I guess, where you would see if you are allowed in. Then inside is the vault, which comes to our next action feature, where on the outside you can have one of your criminal minifigs climb up this, I guess, drain pipe or just pipe, attach the hook right here, and then pull, and then the whole entire vault comes out. I personally really like the way they did this vault. It looks like an actual vault. It looks really good. You can even spin the wheel, kind of. But yeah, I think it looks really good. I like the vault very much. And the way it's attached is just by a clip and another modified clip piece. Then on the roof, you can see there's not much going on because it hides another action feature where you can pull this up. You can pull it up, part of the roof up, where it would be inside where the vault is. So if one of your criminals knows what the combination for the vault is, then they can just do it here by getting in the top by a crowbar or something. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the bank. So let's move on to the minifigs. Like a lot of the Lego Police, Lego City Police sets, they kind of went they have a little too much for the police side. They have K9 unit, 2 ground police officers, and an air police officer for 2 criminals in a slow-moving bulldozer, unless it's modified. So you can see, we'll start with this one down here. You can see he has his prison outfit, and yeah, I like the expression on this one, on his face, and yeah, I like this. You can take a look at them right from the front, and then I'll turn them around to the back. For minifig accessories, these 2 get accessories. They get a pair of handcuffs, and then this one gets a flashlight. I'll take their helmets and hair off so that you can see kind of the back of the torso a little bit better. So yeah, that pretty much wraps us up. I think this is a very good set. I enjoy it very much, especially how Lego City gives you an actual building to put in a city. And yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for this episode. If you enjoy it, please make sure to leave a like on this video and my other videos. Also, if you have any helpful or thoughtful comments or questions or suggestions, put them down in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to see more of me and the rest of my Legos. And I guess this wraps it up, so I'll see you guys soon. So take it easy.